Welcome to DigiBuddy. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can remove background from your image using Canva. For that, first let's create a canvas. Click on Custom Size and choose the size for your canvas. Here I'll be choosing 1:1 square canvas. Now click on Upload and add the image of which you want to remove the background. Before start editing, you have to keep one thing in mind, that this feature is only available for premium users. If you are not a premium user, then this feature will not be available for you. Okay, now let's continue. Click on Edit Image and from here you will see an option Background Remover. Just tap on it. Here you can see your image background is removed. Then just click on Apply and your image is ready to be saved. And here is the result. So that's it for this video. If you want us to cover something next, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.